Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to download Wise app in your Android device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Play Store app, and once you open it, in the search bar simply type in Wise. So once you type in Wise, you will end up in this page. So simply hit on the Wise app section and tap on the install button. Once you tap on the install button, it will take some time to get downloaded in your Android device. However, once the Wise app is downloaded, it will start to get installed in your device as well. So once the installation process is also completed, you can simply open your Wise app through your Play Store or simply go in your home screen and check out your Wise app through there. This is how you download Wise in your Android device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.